State creation, local government autonomy, women's rights and participation in politics, as well as the inclusion of traditional rulers in the Constitution, were among the key issues that dominated discussions at the public hearing on the review of the 1999 Constitution held in Kaduna. The Northwest Zone, a hearing featured delegations from Kano, Jigawa and the host state, Kaduna. Trust TV's Bello reports.
Delegates from civil society organizations, academia, women groups, political parties, and community leaders were present at the Constitution Review public hearing. Most of the presentations focused on long-standing demands for the creation of new states and the need for local government autonomy.
The proposed Kaduna state is situated in the southern part of the present Kaduna state, otherwise known as Kaduna Senatorial Zone or Funtua Zone, that's popularly known.
In order and request for the creation of their state. Our request. This movement was since 1991, was 3 decades. Indeed, the effort of being made by the National Assembly to review the 1999 Constitution is highly welcome development.
Mr. Chairman, composition of Tika State comprises of 16 local governments. That is Kano South Senatorial District, plus 1 local government from Kano Central Senatorial District, Garumala local government.
Who had a state for over 40 years. For over 40 years, Mr. Chairman. Our past request was submitted to the National Assembly in Lagos in 1982.
And that of creation of Kurara State out of the present Kaduna State, proposed by Sukapu, subject to conduct of referendum in the areas of these 2 requests as provided in Section 8, subsection 1, subsection A and B of the Constitution. The outcome of the referendum should determine the wishes of the people, especially in the overlapping areas, which of the 2 states to belong to and the boundary of the 2 states. On the approval of the creation of the new Kaduna state, the appellation new should be dropped and the state continues to be called Kaduna State. The Kaduna State will continue to be part of Northwest Geopolitical Zone.
Is for you to take note that we are all here in our numbers supporting the creation of Kurara State out of the current or present Kaduna State. Our presentation is so unique because the first time, sir, we have the support of virtually every stakeholder in this state, starting from the governor.
Meanwhile, the Kauri Emirate from Kauru local government area also submitted a request to be included in the proposed new Kaduna state.
And Kauru as Emirates, which is closely related to Zazzau Emirates. That's why we are inclined to be in new Kaduna state, not Kurara state. This is the stand of Kauru Emirate Council.
In addition to state creation, several delegates also advocated for full local government autonomy to ensure grassroots development.
That state and local government joint account is giving some state governors to manipulate and manage the resources of the local government. Am I right? Am I saying the voice of all of us? That means, Mr. Chairman, we need full autonomy. We need full local.
On behalf of Asia, on resource control. Now, the message is, we have no problem whatsoever with resource control. But that ruling by Supreme Court must be adhered to, where it says that all that that seaway between the neutral state should be in control of federal government. So it means that the oil on land can be controlled by the states. All the resources can be only when it is on their land, but anything within that international law belongs to the federation. All right?
The problem: Nigeria, despite being Africa's largest democracy, ranks among the lowest globally in female political representation. In the current 10th National Assembly, women occupy less than 7% of seats.
Constitutional power to appoint the chairman and commissioner from the president to a non-partisan committee to make INEC more independent. The current system has resulted in the appointment of partisan people to the Electoral Commission.
As Labour, we will do all that is possible within the provision of the law to defend this interest, because it is in the interest of Nigerian workers. We want labor issues to remain in exclusive legislative list. We don't want.
The public hearing was conducted in a peaceful and orderly atmosphere, with delegates from various sectors submitting their proposals to the House of Representatives Committee on the 1999 Constitution Review. Bello, Trust TV News, Kaduna.